Okay lang yan. So, hi guys! Welcome back to Jenevive's channel. So, yeah guys. Today, this two beautiful creature is going to show us how beautiful the city of Oslo. Ayan. So, itutur namin kayo guys. Ayan. Samahan nyo kami. Abangan ang aming magagandang mga kaganapan. Okay, see you.
Give it to me like I love you.
Napakagandang beach sa dulo ng aming Brigger mula National Hill.
So refreshing. Very summer vibe.
Kaya pwede kayo mag-swimming dito.
Yeah, look at the view. Yeah.
Tumambay.
Mumbai lang. It's fine.
Guard groupings. Pwede kayong kaya naman.
Yeah. Nakikita nyo yung sobrang linis dito guys. So bawal lang magtapo ng basura dito. Bawal magtapo
Yan ang
ng
importante
basura.
yung mga kachem. Mga kachem.
Mga kachem. Let's preserve our nature guys, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. Right. Okay, come on, let's go.
Feeling ko talaga hindi naman ako magsisisi na dito ako pumunta para magbakasyon sa Oslo. Halata naman, di ba? Yung dalawa kong kasama, ayan o. Hi! Mga kalog din, di ba? At dahil nga summer ngayon, di ba? Kaya kita nyo naman, napakaganda ng panahon. So, eto yung, ano bang tawag dito? Port or isa siya sa pinupuntahan dito sa Oslo, kung saan makikita nyo naman maraming tao yung nagsa-sunbathing. Ayan, hindi ko mabasa syempre, di ba, Norwegian. So maraming tao yung nagsiswimming, yung iba nagbababad lang sa araw, naglalakad lang. Napakaganda ng panahon ngayon.
I love you.
So guys, I am spending some of my holidays here in Oslo, and today I am so grateful to be with this two people behind me, and now we're going to make some sort of interview to this guy beside me.
Local guy.
Yeah, local guy, since he's already living here like 10 years, right?
Almost.
Okay, yeah, almost 10 years.
You need to speak English?
No! It's not necessary. It's not necessary. So ngayon guys, ayan, 10 years na dito si, ayan, aking ipinapakilala ang isang napakagwapong aming panauhin. Monching! Tararanan! Ayan, Mon.
Hello.
So, ayan, mag-hi ka muna sa ating mga viewers.
Hello mga viewers.
Kala mo talaga live, no?
Hello.
Hi! Daw! So, sa 10 years na, almost 10 years mo na pag-stay dito. So, if ever na merong mga tourists na gustong pumunta dito sa Oslo, ano yung may offer? Ano yung may recommend mo? Or, yeah, ano yung mga mga most exciting na tourist spot na pwedeng puntahan dito sa Oslo?
Actually, depende sa like ng tao. Kung ano yung gusto nila. For example, like mga museum
Mhm.
or gusto nilang makita yung mga beaches.
Yeah.
Siguro ang recommend ko yung King Palace muna first.
King Palace.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because
May wifi pa. May wifi pa. Bakit daw? Ano makikita sa King's Palace?
actually wala namang special sa King Palace pero yung ganda at build ng structure kasi
So very ano siya, yung alam mo yon, yung parang European ano talaga siya.
Yeah,
yung
like that,
structure
like
siya,
that.
yeah, ganon.
yun talagang nagustuhan ko rin dito sa City of Oslo.
Okay. But when it comes to beaches, right, as you've said, like museum, so nandito siya sa Oslo, di ba? Kumbaga, a lot of things Oslo can offer. Yeah.
Kaya
Ano yung mga activities na pwedeng gawin pag nag-stay ka dito sa Oslo? Aside from
activities,
bowling,
yeah, like that, bowling, billiard,
swimming,
swimming, yeah. Pero ang the best talaga dito
Mhm.
is talaga yung di ko sure eh. Di ko sure eh. Actually madami.
Yeah,
Madami.
sobrang dami.
Sobrang
Yeah.
dami.
Oo.
Depende talaga kung
Depende sa trip mo,
Oo.
kung saan mo gusto pumunta.
Oo.
Yeah. Especially ngayong summer, maraming tao pupunta sa mga beaches kasi sobrang ganda ng weather. Para
Yeah.
mag-show off din sila ng kanilang mga swimsuit. Something like that, you
Yeah,
know.
exactly.
Yeah. Yeah. At yeah, yun na yun. And look at this. Yeah, meron pang pag gusto nyo gusto nyo mag-ice cream after nyo maligaw. Yeah. Meron sila ditong
Paradis.
Paradis.
Yeah.
Alright. Rock and roll.
Is there specific foods or like food that this city can offer?
Foods.
Yeah. Meron ba silang mga special like delicacy or anything na masasabi mong napakasarap talaga? Parang ganon, yung hindi mo makakalimutan.
Ikaw, Miss.
For me kasi yung Oslo is very diverse siya. So,
Okay.
it's a lot of restaurant na nandito. Meron silang mga Korean, Norwegian. Yeah, so palakain kasi ako so wala akong pili. Ganun. So, yeah, di ba?
Actually kasi hindi ko feel yung mga Norse food dito.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, so
Oh,
Yeah,
Asian
actually,
pa rin, Asian cuisine pa rin.
yung food
Yeah.
pa rin.
Mm.
Like Thai restaurant. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Korean restaurant, Chinese restaurant.
Chinese restaurant, yeah.
But may masarap naman mga Norwegian food. Meron namang okay naman, mga riba. Sabi
Riba.
nilang
Oo.
yung
Ah, yeah. Ganyan yan. Okay, that's fine. Yeah.
Masaya yung vlog natin,
Yeah,
diba?
of
Oh my
course. So
God.
guys, if you really wanted to maybe
Visit Oslo.
yeah, in the
best
next
pa rin
coming
ng
months,
Filipino food.
Filipino
yeah,
food, yeah.
it's always the best.
Oh yeah,
talaga.
speaking of Filipino food, meron sila dito sa pinuntahan natin, Besh. Meron yung,
Oh, yeah.
meron street food, yeah.
Oh yeah, kung may street foods, ano yun? Do you know the name of that Filipino restaurant or?
That name is Kain.
Kain talaga,
Yeah,
as in
kain.
lamon, kain.
Kain bar, I think. Kain bar.
Okay.
It's a lot of food there also.
Variety of
Yeah.
food that they can offer, yeah.
So it's like
Japanese, Italian.
so
It's
that
like Europe street food.
street food, yeah.
okay, but
Yeah.
they offer like
A lot of cuisine, Asian, yeah.
okay. So,
Parang almost Asian yun, Besh,
yeah,
no?
that sounds really
Parang almost Asian, yeah.
Because may,
exciting.
may
Yeah.
Indian food
May Indian, yeah, exactly, may Indian pa pala.
So hi guys, so if you are already here in Norway and you wanted to show the city, like you wanted to go somewhere, some places, and you don't like to no more hassle like waiting in the bus or train, so you can try this this one.
Victory O-N-I. Boy.
So yeah, they call this kind of vehicle or transportation as Voi. So in order for you to use this, what do you need to do?
You just need to do is download the Boy apps
So okay.
and then register your ATM or your card, and then yeah, you can literally use it this one.
Okay, so
It's easy, you know?
yeah, so this is very convenient to use if you wanted to go somewhere here in the city. Yeah. Very easy, guys. It's very easy. All you have to do is to download the Voi app and then connect with your bank account, and then yeah. So how will you do that? Say for example, how will you do that?
For example, okay, I will show you. So here I have Boy apps,
Mm-hmm.
and then I click that one, and
Yeah.
then you just need to do is scan to ride.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you need to scan the QR code. Just click there and then just wait, and then you're ready to go. And then
Okay,
unlock.
so as easy as that.
Yes.
Okay, so we already have this one, Voi.
They call it
Yeah, they call it Voi. So this is one of the convenient way for you to be able to go from one places to another.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
It's very convenient to ride here in Oslo. Kung gusto niyo po mag-tour dito nang walang hassle, you can use this Voi.
yeah,
And
exactly.
yeah.
So
And now, let's go. Let's tour the what do you call this?
This is a
Royal
Palace?
Palace, right?
yeah, King
The
Palace.
King
Yeah.
Palace of Oslo. All right.
Give it to me like. I love you.
hi guys. So we've been to many places here in Oslo, and so far this place is one of the famous attraction here in Oslo, which is like the Vigilance Park. Is that like Vigilance Park?
Yeah, Vigilance Park.
Vigilance Park. So there, I don't know why there's a lot of statue, like naked statue here. I don't know what's the reason, but to sum it up, this is really nice place, beautiful place. Very big place. Yeah.
Bes, ito yun ka, Bes, oh. Ay, ito ko pala, Bes, lalaki ka.
Napansin nyo nga, talagang hindi sila nagpapatuloy dito. So ito na ebidensya. Nung sinaunang tao sa Norway.
This is one proof that people here don't practice circumcision.
Okay, go.
Bobring ay.